Hey everyone, this is Luis with Quickcolor again. Really quick, I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to recolor your artwork. So we have all these colors that I put in from Adobe Color. So let's ungroup these. As you can tell, they're all together. So now what we're going to do is we're going to highlight all these colors, go to Edit Colors, Recolor Artwork, click that, and then you're going to go down here. Let's say for everyone that uses Pantone colors, coded or uncoded, you just go to this symbol here, which is the none limits the color groups in a swatch library. Go ahead and click that, and then you go to color books and you select, my favorite one to use is just CMYK coded and uncoded. So I'll go with coded, press OK. And a quick way to find this color, let's say you click this Pantone color here, you go ahead and click it, you press shift on your keyboard, and I'll show you the actual color code. So this is Pantone P107-6C. Let's write that in there. P107 let's go back. I forgot what it was. -6C. 6C, and that's coded. That's what C stands for. Let's go here again. So that's P10914. Just go ahead and copy that. 10914. Make sure that's right. Let's go here. Let's do the same thing. So 1812. 18 and 12. Let's go ahead and click that again. So that's 25C. And then for our last color here, we have 45-6. 45 and 6. So this is really good whenever you need to give Pantone colors to either your printer, if you're doing silk screen, or you just need to assign Pantone colors for your new branding or marketing sheet for your company. So just remember that again. So the options are, let's say if you create this color palette just on RGB or CMYK, you just go to Edit Colors, Recolor Artwork, and even if they're already in Pantone, you just go ahead and change them to any of these color codes here. So I like to use the Pantone booklets. And actually, I just lost it. Here we go, color books. And you go to Pantone, CMYK coded and uncoded. Alright, cool. So that's the quick color tutorial. Just make sure to like the channel, subscribe, and follow. Thanks.